Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Gus.
In this video we will be discussing spot copy trading on Bitget. We'll provide a guide on how to navigate the system and some important consideration to keep in mind if you're interested in starting copy trading.
So, we recommend that you watch this video until the end, because it contains valuable tips. And as always, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new content and videos. Below in the description, you can find the link to Bitget platform, which allows you to get 15% discount on trading fees and many other benefits.
First, let's provide an overview of Bitget Copy Trading. To access the copy trading platform on Bitget, simply navigate to Copy Trading and then select Spot Copy Trading.
So, what's the difference between copy trading with futures and spot trading? Futures are synthetic derivatives of cryptocurrency to track crypto prices, but they don't actually involve buying and selling crypto. With futures, you can use leverage to increase your capital, but this is much riskier and require more management. For beginners, it may be safer to trade in the spot market, where the money you put into trade is just being traded and there is no leverage or risk.
When it comes to Bitget platform, the spot trading page is similar to the future page. In both pages, there are traders to follow. We recommend going to the All Traders section and searching for traders to follow. However, we caution against searching by ROI or P&L, as these metrics may not provide a complete picture of a trader's performance.
It's important to note that copier P&L is slightly different from trader's P&L. When you copy a trader, you can set parameters for stop loss and take profit. As a result, your P&L may not be exactly the same as the trader's, so we recommend looking at the trader's P&L to determine if they are good traders to follow.
Copying a trade exactly is crucial, as it can result in either losing or making more money. However, relying solely on ROI as a metric can be misleading, as it may not consider the other factors, such as AUM, asset under management.
ROI and AUM is a better metric to evaluate the trader's performance, as it takes into account the amount of capital being traded. It's important to dig deeper and assess the consistency of a trader's performance, rather than just focusing on high returns from a few lucky trades.
Traders with the most AUM have likely been in the business for a while and have a track record of attracting capital. While larger cryptos may move less, traders with small AUM or those trading in small altcoin may have higher returns.
However, it's important to note that high returns could be a result of single lucky trade, and traders with a small amount of followers can easily enter and exit trades. Therefore, it's best to assess a trader's reliability and AUM to evaluate their performance over long term.
You can use the trader page to analyze each trader's trading style, frequency, and asset under management. For instance, the trader in question has an high AUM, and their low frequency trading style suggests that they may not engage in day trading over a few hours.
Let's take a look at stable and long-term trades to see what type of trades are being made here. The trading data show an ROI of 43%, which is quite good. We can examine the short-term and account inception trades within 3 weeks and get an idea of the strategy.
We can see the cryptocurrency they're trading, which includes several different ones. They have 28 trading orders and 1151 accumulated follows, although only 1,000 people can follow and copy this trader at one time. Their win rate is 96%, which is excellent, and they have a decent AUM amount.
When examining the charts, it's important to choose the longest period possible, since a day or two won't actually reflect the trader's real win rate. This trader has obviously been successful, and they seems to be trading a lot of different cryptocurrencies.
It's also important to note that copy traders may not make the exact same amount of money as the underlying trade due to different parameters. Examining their trades from the last months show that Loopring is the most traded cryptocurrency, followed by Perp, Mask, and Zelos. They've made some substantial profit and keep the trade for a reasonably long time.
This is good, since spot trading isn't as speculative as future trading, where short and sharp movements can lead to significant gain or losses quickly. Spot trading differ from a future trading in that you tend to hold your position for a long period of time.
While this isn't always the case, this particular trader tends to let the winning trades ride out, cutting losses earlier on without any real discernible reason. Typically, they hold the position for about a week or two, which means they're not a day trader. The trader's strategy is described as low frequency and stable, and it appears that they primarily look for swing trades in the market.
It's worth noting that different traders will have different strategies, so it's important to consider this when choosing which traders to follow. You might want to build a diverse portfolio of traders with different style and approaches to the market.
By taking a closer look at the traders' trading volume, it's evident that they haven't made many trades in the past few days. However, they did make high volume trade when the crypto market experienced a big upswing, indicating good timing on their part. This highlights the importance of understanding a trader's style and approach before choosing to follow them.
Moving on to the trader screen, there are many settings to consider. The first thing to note is that you'll need to find a trader who has a free slot available if you want to copy the trades. If there are no free slots, you need to wait until other traders stop copying them and free up some spaces.
You can either hit the copy now button or choose to alert me option to be notified when the slot becomes available. The copy trading screen defaults to basic mode, but there's also an advanced mode to explore. If you click edit on the copy trading pairs section, you can toggle off any asset you don't want to trade, even if the trade you're following trades them.
This will give you more control over the asset you are exposed into your portfolio. Overall, it's important to do your research and understand the traders you are copying and the setting you are using to maximize your chances of success.
In this example, let's say you are dealing with a speculative coin that may not be worth touching. Or maybe there are other small coins that you want to avoid altogether. In such cases, you can simply toggle them off and avoid the risk. This is why the profit and loss, or P&L, of copier often differ significantly from that of the trader themselves.
Copiers have the flexibility to decide which traders they want to follow or ignore, and as a result, their P&L can be quite different. So when you're copying a trader, it's best to trust their expertise and be open to their trades. This way you can avoid cutting your losses early and missing out on potentially profitable trades that they may have confidence in.
Moving on to the margin mode, it's worth noting that you're not dealing with any leverage or margin trade. Instead, you're trading in the spot market and any asset you transfer will go into your spot account. You can choose to trade a fixed amount or use a multiplier based on the trader's trade.
For example, you can set a fixed amount of $50 per trade, and that amount will be deducted from your spot account for each trade. However, keep in mind that the trader may have more confidence in some trades than others, and their position size may be significantly different from yours.
Therefore, while the percentage profit or loss may be the same, the nominal value could vary significantly. You can use a multiplier ranging from 0,1 to 20 based on the trader's trade size. However, be cautious about your account size and trade size, as you could end up maxing out your account with just one trade if you're not careful.
A fixed amount may be a safer choice, but ultimately it's up to you to decide. In terms of risk management, as shown here, we can adjust our drop-down option for stop loss, take profit, and maximum follow amount.
A stop loss is an order that helps you exit a losing trade. For example, if you're comfortable losing 15% but don't want to lose more than that, you can set your stop loss at 50%. The trade will continue to copy the trader until he reaches the point, at which time it will exit the trade.
However, the trader may hold the trade down to 20% loss before reversing it and making a profit or smaller loss. Setting a stop loss that is different from the traders can affect your performance, but you can use it as a fail-safe to prevent a large loss.
On the other hand, a take profit order helps you secure profit when you're winning. For instance, if you're content with a 15% profit and set your take profit at that level, you'll exit the trade when that level is reached. But if the trade is confident and the crypto market moves by 30%, you'll miss out on potential profit by cutting them early. Your performance will differ from that of the trader if you set different take profit levels.
It's worth noting that setting a stop loss can sometimes result in missing profit if the trader holds on to the trade and eventually make a profit. Additionally, you could lose more than your stop loss amount. Therefore, it's essential to decide your maximum loss limit, such as 25%, at which point you should exit the trade anyway.
Regarding the maximum follow amount per trade, you can either use a fixed amount or a multiplier. If you use the multiplier, you can choose to trade one-to-one with the trader's position, but limit the maximum follow amount to, say, $500. However, this option only applies in the multiplier mode.
Now, let's move on the advanced mode. Advanced mode offers the same functionality as the basic mode, but with the added feature of drilling down to individual assets. For instance, if you see that a trader has a remarkable track record on Bitcoin, you may want to trade at 1.5 times multiplier on Bitcoin, with a stop loss of 25 and without taking a take profit.
However, you may not want to take the same risk on other more volatile assets, so you can be less aggressive on them. With this feature, you can tailor your trading approach to each asset. Keep in mind that each time you modify a parameter, your performance will differ from that of the trader.
Once you have set all the parameters to your satisfaction, you can move on to the next step by clicking Next button. You will then be shown an amount to trade, and then you can click Confirm to start copying the trader. If the trader does not make any trades for 5 days, you will not copy any trades during the period.
In short, you will only copy their trades when they open and close positions, and you will take the same profit or loss. So if you navigate to the Trades section and click on Spot Trading, you will be able to view all of your trades. Any open trades will appear in your order history and open orders. You will see the details of your trades, including the date, time, entry price, and the amount invested.
You also have the ability to edit or close your position at any time, whether you are in profit or loss. To do so, click on the Action tab located in the right-hand corner below the screen. If you are using copy trading, you can view your trade history and positions by clicking on the arrow in the main menu and navigate to the trade history and position.
From here, you can edit your trades, take profit, or make trades smaller by using the Action tab. It's recommended to allocate only a small percentage of your portfolio to spot trading and copy trading.
That's everything for now, and if you have any questions or suggestions, you can ask us anything in the comment section below. And don't forget, below in the descriptions you can find the link to Bitget platform, which allows you to get 15% discount on trading fees and many other benefits.
We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.